In today's video, I will teach you how to design your own custom ID card in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the home page, type in the keyword ID card on the search bar if you would like to customize one of the thousands of available ID card templates in Canva's template library. To choose the right design for you, you can simply enable some of the filters on the sidebar to narrow down your choices. You can also start from scratch by clicking on the blank template option at the first row of the template library. And to start from a custom size page, you can simply click on the Create a Design option at the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Custom Size option, then input your desired width and height. And once you've opened your canvas or your chosen template, you can now start to customize it. To add images, simply open the Uploads tab and select Upload Files to import your images directly from your computer. Canva also lets you upload your images from your Google Drive, Dropbox, and Instagram. To do this, simply click on the three dots right next to the Upload Files button. To edit the text, simply click on the text that you would like to edit, and at the top panel, you can change the font style, the font size, and the color of the text. You also have the option to use one of Canva's text combination presets from the Text tab if you can't decide which font style to use. If you wish to add graphics and illustrations onto your ID card, simply open the Elements tab and drag and drop illustrations and graphics onto the page. Canva also stores all your design projects in the cloud, so you can access, edit, and share them anywhere as long as there is an internet connection. With Canva's free iOS and Android apps, you can even update your ID card on the go. And once you're satisfied, you can now save your work directly to your computer. To do this, simply click on the Share button at the top panel and select Download and choose the right file format. I highly recommend either using PNG or JPG as a file format for a high-quality image. And you're done! If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.